1960. Still in use. Sugar beet hose which pushed along in the front. We've now been able to purchase a pulley which drives off the PTO. It's diesel, 3-cylinder. Ready now? This is an oat crusher. It was used for horses' food. The oats were on the granary floor, trickled down that trough. 2 wheels rubbed together and made it flat. This was for horse feed. Horses didn't have meals, they just had oats that would be crushed. This is a Bamford mill. It's worked with 2 plates which we put up together. It grinds as fine or as coarse as you wish. The always grinds fine for pigs and more coarse for cows. With all the when the dairy herd is here, this would have fed the whole dairy herd. This is where all the corn would have been brought onto the granary, ready to go in the hopper, which would mainly consist of wheat, beans or oats. Beans and oats for cows, and wheat and barley for pigs. As the oat crusher was down on the ground floor and fed through the tube, this is the hole where they first went from this floor. This would have been full of oats right up to the rafters. Go on! Oh, was it Wilson out here? This was, so when the corn would have been mixed in here, we would have put a bushel of barley, wheat, oats or beans with some various corns on the top and stirred up and went down to the mill. Yeah.